It is May 1st, 2019. We're here at 3375 Willard Street in San Diego, California, 92122. We're upstairs on the second floor right now in the hall bathroom. We do have a clean out at the ground level on this back side of the house. However, it's buried in the concrete at an angle, so it's not accessible. So there is a plastic PVC tube covering a 3-inch ABS pipe with a 2.5-inch plug, but you can't get down into there to access it. So just for the heck of it, we're going to go ahead and try to go through with a special camera through the toilet here, just to show this back line, if we're even able to get through, we don't know, from here to the downstairs toilet. We do have cleanouts at the downstairs level in the garage and in the front of the garage door in the driveway. So we'll be able to access the rest of the underground pipes that we want to look at. But we'll go ahead and see if we are able to maneuver this through here. Again, these are all plastic drain and sewer pipes for the house. So here we're approaching, after this closet arm, the vent pipe and the downward turn for the sewer. We're going to flush the water one time to help see if that helps maneuver the camera. Okay, so we're pointing down right now. Let's see if we're able to keep pushing this camera down and across, just for the heck of it. Typically with ABS, we don't expect to find any problems. Usually the only thing might be maybe a sag or a belly to the pipe for the most part. And the fact that that clean out in the backyard has not been accessed or somebody tried to get in there means they probably haven't had any stoppages or they never needed to get into it. So it's not a real big concern. But we want to try to do as thorough an inspection as we can. So, okay, so you can see we're now in the horizontal pipe, and it is all plastic. So we're going to go ahead and run some water through the sink and a little bit through the bathtub, and this will allow the camera possibly to move farther down the system here if we're able to maneuver it. We're going to flush the toilet also one time here. Okay, so we're coming up on the turn, as you can see right here. Probably because it has to angle towards the right side of the house as you're facing it, which is where the sewer pipe is. So the more we're at in the house is more about the middle, and it's got to go to the right a little bit. So we're not going to be able to push through that turn. We've already pushed out a massive amount through the toilet bowl itself. So you can see that's a T-junction right there that we're approaching. And so you can see that there's water entering the line. So we're going to go ahead and shut the water off. So again, it is all plastic line. And see the water's draining down and out. We somehow don't have any issues here, which we didn't expect, but every once in a while we can find problems with ABS pipe. So I'm going to pull back here now that the water's been shut off, and now we're coming back up the vertical already. So we're going to go ahead now and pause the video while we pull the camera back and then move to the next clean out. Okay, so we've now moved a regular camera down into the garage. So we're here right next to the laundry, and here in this closet we have a 3-inch ABS main sewer clean out here. So right behind this wall is the downstairs powder bathroom toilet. There is no clean out for the kitchen. The house had a little back room addition added, so the kitchen does not have an exterior wall anymore for where the plumbing might have had one, so it all has to be accessed by undoing all the pipes under the sink for both cleaning it out or doing an inspection. But again, all the pipes here are plastic, so other than just standard normal buildup from normal usage, we don't expect that there'd be any problems, but we don't have a way to access the pipe, unfortunately. So here's the main clean out for this downstairs. This is headed towards the street. We're going to go ahead and pause the video for one moment while we flush the toilet and get some of that debris off our camera lens. Okay, we flushed the toilet. Looks like we just missed the T-junction. Possibly right here, so we'll keep pushing the camera through here. It's a little foggy, but again, we can see that there's no issues with the line. It's all black plastic ABS, so we're basically just looking to see if there happens to be any root intrusions, which is still possible, or any sags or bellies or any cracks or breaks to the line. So it's a bit cleared up now. So down the line here. Coupling. Here's a T-junction right here. So this T-junction you see on the right side of the screen, that's going to pick up the upstairs master bathroom. So that's the vertical pipe that's going to come down and then make a sweep horizontally and then tie into this main. Now we're headed across. Here's another T-junction right there. The first T-junction may have been actually the back bathroom, and the second one was the master bathroom. Okay, here we have vertical T. This should be our clean out access that we have right in front of the garage door. So we're going to go ahead and move our camera underneath here. We have the lid taken off. We're going to go ahead and pause the video and just look down here to make sure that that's the position we are at. Yes, that is the clean out. So there is a steel lid, again, right before you enter the garage on the left-hand side near the door, garage door, and that's the sewer clean out you see right there, that access point. You can get to that one. Again, we've already taken off the lid. The only sewer clean out we don't have access to is the one in the very backyard, but not necessary at this point in time. Small turns there, and that's usually going to be getting close to the property line. And then you can see right here, here's the end of the line, and this is the city pipe here where it dumps into the larger line here. So you can see all the debris floating by from all the other neighbors on Willard Street and around. So this is the end of this lateral line already. So the whole line is plastic the whole way. There are no issues with it, and so that concludes this recording.